A historic day for the nation's highest court, as the 51-year-old federal judge faces questions from U.S. senators in a bid to become the first African-American woman to become a U.S. Supreme Court justice.
With your presence here today, you are writing a new page in the history of America, a good page. Who the president nominates and the Senate decides to confirm to our federal judiciary, and especially our nation's highest court, that's extremely important.
Democrats have praised Jackson, saying she brings much-needed diversity to the court and has an impressive resume, beginning with her time at Harvard University and as a public defender.
I will work productively to support and defend the Constitution and this grand experiment of American democracy that has endured over these past 246 years. I have been a judge for nearly a decade now, and I take that responsibility and my duty to be independent very seriously.
But Republicans are concerned about her past representing detainees at Guantanamo Bay, Cuba, and say some of her rulings show a bias against law enforcement. They also argued the focus on Jackson's race was hypocritical.
So if you're Hispanic or African-American conservative, it's about your philosophy. Now it's going to be about the historic nature of the pick. It's going to be about your philosophy. The bottom line here is when it is about philosophy, when it's somebody of color on our side, it's about we're all racist if we ask hard questions.
Jackson's supporters gathered outside the Supreme Court Monday said the vote on her nomination should not be about politics or race.
So I want to ask our senators to search their heart and vote according to what they know is right. She is more than qualified. She has all the integrity that you could ever want in a Supreme Court nominee. And so the only right thing to do is to vote for Ketanji Brown Jackson because she is the future.
But social issues, like a woman's right to abortion, have polarized recent Supreme Court confirmations and could do so again. Jackson is not expected to receive any Republican votes on the committee after a confirmation hearing ends later this week. She could be confirmed by the full Senate with or without Republican backing, so long as Democrats remain united behind her. Katherine Gypson, VOA News, Washington.